Hi, this is Prasenjit from Informatica GCS. Today I will be discussing about handling Excel columns in Intelligent Structure Model and later creating Excel source in IICS mapping. We will be discussing about few topics. Points will be complex Excel columns scenarios, how to discover them in Intelligent Structure Model, and after that creating Excel source using ISD in IICS mapping. I have logged in into the IICS console data integration. Let's try to create a intelligence structure model task first. So I have selected this demo Excel XLX files. As you can see, this Excel file has something this kind of columns names, which are not a single word, having braces, having spaces, all these things. And if I click on discover structure, I would see that intelligence structure model is not able to discover the column name correctly. Here you go. Let me bring up the down window. If I expand that element, you could see the column names came as something like this: value 1, country 1. Whereas in the actual Excel file, the column names were not like this. So I will show how to handle this kind of column names in intelligence structure model. To do this, once I click on discover structure, I could see this edit option. Click on this, click on the line whichever you want as a column name. Here in my case, I want this first line to be appeared as a column name. I'll click on this. It turns into green. As soon as it's done, I'll be choosing this right option and done. I could see now all the elements are showing exact column names. So this is how we should handle complex column names presents in any Excel file using intelligence structure model. Now we will go to IICS mapping to use intelligence structure model as an Excel source. So I have created a simple intelligence structure model task using another demo XML file having a few columns like serial number, name, and gender, just to show the demo. In the mapping, I'm selecting a txt file where the txt file will have the path and the file name of this particular Excel. So this is my Excel file and it is present in this particular location, and I have made the column name as file path. Let me show you the exact input.txt file. Here is the input.txt file. It has just file path as column name and location and the file name. Next, after reading this input.txt file, I will have only the file path and Excel file. I will add the structure parser here in this mapping to parse this Excel data and get XML, JSON, relational, whatever output I want. So I'll add the structure parser here. Let me choose the task here. Just now I have created ISM underscore task. Selected, input is ready. I'll just connect to that source. Output as whatever I want as of now. Just for demo purpose, I'm keeping it as relational. Input fields definitely coming from the source, which is file path. Field mapping, yes, I have to do it. I'll just field that file path column name. That's it. Output field. Once I connect to it, it will ask me whichever you want. Element is the group which I want. I'll show why I am choosing that element group. Let me take you to the ISM task once again. So I have opened the ISM task once again after closing it, and you can see it's a non-editing view where I can see the column names are coming inside element group. And that's the reason while connecting to the structure parser to target, I have selected element only. So this is all about selecting structure parser, connecting it within IICS mapping, and handling Excel source. Kindly go through these links for more information about intelligent structure discovery structure parser. We would like to hear from you. Please use these portals. Thank you.